You're a safety professional and your job is critical. The lives of your crew depend on it. The SafeKey lockout padlock system, exclusively from Brady, is engineered for the ultimate in key precision and advanced key security. The one-of-a-kind key design means a smooth, low-friction key operation and reduced key wear that will give you years of reliable, consistent performance in all industrial conditions. This revolutionary concept yields up to 700% more unique operating keys over a traditional safety padlock system. You get unprecedented key control and key security for your most simple to highly complex lockout needs. Color-matched keys and locks help you immediately grab the right key, while optional custom laser engraving keeps everything organized. With aluminum and non-conductive nylon bodies and shackles, you'll always have the right lock for every lockout situation. Ultimate key precision, advanced key security. The SafeKey lockout padlock system from Brady redefines the standard for lockout safety.